And the way the lake below us soon became a toy lake with those black well holes perfectly visible still, and the giant cloud shadows on the lake, and the tragic little road winding away where poor Morley was walking back. "Can you see Morrill down back there?" Jeffy took a long look. "I see a little cloud of dust. Maybe that's him coming back already." But it seemed that I had seen the ancient afternoon of that trail, from meadow rocks and lupin posies, to sudden revisits with the roaring stream and its splashed snag bridges and undersea greennesses. There was something inexpressibly broken in my heart, as though I'd lived before and walked this trail under similar circumstances with a fellow bodhisattva, but maybe on a more important journey. I felt like lying down by the side of the trail and remembering it all. The woods do that to you. They always look familiar, like long-lost faces of a long-dead relative, like an old dream, like a piece of forgotten song drifting across the water. Most of all, like golden eternities of past childhood or past manhood, and all the living and the dying and the heartbreak that went on 1,000,000 years ago, and the clouds as they pass overhead seem to testify by their own lonesome familiarity to this feeling. Ecstasy, even, I felt, with flashes of sudden remembrance. And feeling sweaty and drowsy, I felt like sleeping and dreaming in the grass. As we got higher, we got more tired, and now, like two true mountain climbers, we weren't talking anymore and didn't have to talk, and we're glad. In fact, Jaffe mentioned that, turning to me after a half-hour's silence. "This is the way I like it. When you get going, there's just no need to talk. It's as if we were animals and just communicated with silent telepathy." So huddled in our own thoughts, we tromped on, Jaffe using that Gazotsky trudge I mentioned, and myself finding my own true step, which was short steps, slowly, patiently going up the mountain at 1 mile an hour. So I was always 30 yards behind him, and when we had any haikus, now we'd yell them fore and aft. Pretty soon we got to the top of the part of the trail that was a trail no more, to the incomparable dreamy meadow, which had a beautiful pond, and after that it was boulders, and nothing but boulders.